This video will show you how to properly torque the stem riser clamp bolts on your RadMini and RadMini Step-Thru. Power off the bike and remove the battery. Press and hold the mode button to discharge remaining power. Check the security of the stem riser clamp by performing a handlebar twist test. Ensure the handlebar stem quick release lever is secured tight enough to prevent excess movement between the handlebar stem and the stem riser. If needed, open the lever, add resistance by turning the thumb nut clockwise, and close the lever to secure. The lever should require enough force while closing that it leaves an imprint on your palm. Stand at the front of the bike and brace the front wheel between your feet and lower legs. Hold both handlebar grips and push forward with one hand while pulling back with the other hand. Push and pull with about 20 pounds of force with each hand. While a small amount of movement near the stem quick release lever is expected, the handlebar should remain perpendicular to the front wheel and they should not twist independently of each other. Repeat the twist test with the opposite hand pushing and pulling with about 20 pounds of force applied, and verify the handlebar and front wheel are properly aligned. If the stem riser twists out of alignment, use a 6mm Allen wrench and back out both bolts from the stem riser fully. Reinstall both bolts using a 6mm Allen wrench, tightening them until the base of the bolt head is snug against the stem riser. You should feel resistance and no bolt threads should be visible. Use a torque wrench to evenly torque both bolts to 25 Nm. Start at the top bolt and tighten 1/4 turn, then switch to the lower bolt. Repeat tightening each bolt 1/4 turn and then alternating to the other bolt. Once the torque wrench indicates that both bolts are torqued to 25 Nm, recheck they are properly secured at least 2 times. Start at the top bolt and tighten until the torque wrench indicates 25 Nm, switch to the bottom bolt and tighten until 25 Nm, then repeat a second time. Once the torque on both bolts has been verified at least a total of 3 times, repeat the process again, ensuring that both bolts are secured to 25 Nm. Repeat the twist test. If you pass the twist test, reinstall the battery, test the bike fully, and have your work inspected by a certified, reputable bike mechanic.